Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Ndioma. Kedu kanyi mereta? How are we doing today? I hope everyone is doing all right. I am heartbroken. I don't know who else has seen this video here. You cannot help someone who is not ready to be helped. Lie. Obewe. Nke na-akụ egwu si onye akpọrọ ụgwọ na-eme odo nkịtị ka ọ na-eme. Look at the people you are trying to help. How can a right-thinking man mortgage his or her future or the future of her children for 400 naira, 50 cents in dollars or less than? How can? Are you kidding me right now? This 400 naira is for the whole 4 years. Probably sometimes for the whole 8 years. Just that. This is why they keep winning. This is the reason they keep winning. They come, they speak their abracadabra, they sit there, they do nothing. Look at this man here. I will show you the video later in this video. Look at this man sharing 400 naira and a can of Maltina. Or I don't know what that is. I didn't say it properly. Sharing 400 naira. 400 naira. What can 400 naira do for someone, an adult, in this economy, in this age and time? Can you imagine what is going on? Look at the people Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for. Look at the people you and I are fighting for. Look at the people we are trying to liberate. These people are not ready. Okwa Africa, kedi hai geri gebuha. Did you see what is going on here? They make the poor masses lack the basic necessities of life so that they will come back begging them. Have you seen this kind of person in this life? In every other country, the politicians, the leaders are responsible for what they do. But there in Nigeria, that is why they make people poor. So that you will come back and say, oh, because neti hallelujah. So by the time they make you hungry, whatever they say, you will be saying, oh yes. Can you imagine? People are hungry. There is hunger in the land. They have no choice than to collect this. Some people, their children have not eaten since morning. They have no choice than to collect whatever they see and behave anyhow. Jesus Christ, this is painful. I have never seen a country like Africa. This, when Nnamdi Kanu said they are cursed, you think he is being foul-mouthed, okay? Nnamdi Kanu is a prophet. Whatever he tells you is what is happening. Just imagine, just look at. Oh, Jesus Christ. My goodness, God, my goodness. They are not building industries. They are not building companies. They are not providing jobs. But they keep enslaving people with the hope of dashing them 200 naira, 500 naira, 400 naira every 4 years. This is happening in Anambra State. The Anambra State oh my God, I am pained. My goodness. This is not only poverty. This is also ignorance and stupidity. This 400 naira now is for 4 years. 100 naira for each year. Can you now imagine the logic? And then by the time another 4 years, they will still be there. Look at Abia State Governor. He is doing nothing. Look at Imo State Governor. Look at Anambra State. Look at Enugu State. Look at Abakaliki. That one is even trying a little bit. What is wrong with Ndi COG? A typical Oni COG. What is wrong with you? Okay, I'm going to let you watch the video. Please let us know what you think in the comment section. Let us know what you think in the comment section. Share the video if you can. And I don't know. Subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already. For our returning subscribers, thank you so much for always sticking around. Thank you for your support. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
You voters card. You voters card. Oh yeah, well. Thank you, Monsieur. You want my Maggie? You want Maggie?